Hello friends, I am Professor D.P. Ngole, working as Assistant Professor in Sweris College of Engineering, Pandharpur. Today we see that the topic P block elements. Next, the chart of periodic table in group first, second, it is known as S block, it is the D block, this is the P block, F block, and group number 18, which are the noble gases. P block element configuration is NS2 NP 1 to 6. F block element, the element in which the last electron enter in p orbital of last cell of atom are called as P block elements. Position of P block: on that side, left side S block, on right side P block, middle is D block, and at the bottom F block. Periodic table as P F blocks. Introduction. The P block elements are placed in group 13 to 18 and period 1 to 6. The general electronic configuration is NS2 NP 1 to 6. The groups included in the syllabus are 15, 16, 17 and 18. Next, the P block elements. These are the metals, metalloids, non-metals. Group 17s are halogens, group 18s are noble gases. Group 15 elements. Nitrogen family. Configuration is NS2 NP3. The element of group 15: nitrogen, phosphorus are non-metals, arsenic, antimony are metalloids, bismuth are metals. Next part: element, symbol, atomic number, electronic configuration, abundance in earth crust. Nitrogen symbol is N, atomic number 7. Electronic configuration is 2s2 2p3. Phosphorus P, atomic number 15, 3s2 3p3. Arsenic As, atomic number 13. Electronic configuration is Ar, 3d10 4s2 4p3. Antimony Sp, atomic number is 51, 5s2 5p3. Bismuth Bi, atomic number 83, 5d10 6s2 6p3. All the group 15 elements tend to follow the general periodic trends, periodic property trends. Electronegativity: the atom's ability of attracting electron decreases down the group. Ionization enthalpy: the amount of energy required to remove an electron from the atom in its gaseous phase decreases. Atomic radii: the radius of atom increases. Electron affinity: ability of the atom to accept an electron decreases. Melting point: amount of energy required to break bonds to change a solid phase substance to a liquid phase increases going down the groups. Boiling point: amount of energy required to break the bond to change a liquid phase substance to a gas increases going down the groups. Next, allotropes. First is the element, second name of the allotrope, and third one is structure. Nitrogen: alpha nitrogen cubic structure, beta nitrogen hexagonal crystalline, phosphorus white, red, black, arsenic yellow, black, grey, metallic, antimony yellow, fawn, metallic, explosive, bismuth. No allotropes. Chemical properties: first property is action of air, high temperature, N2 plus O2, it gives twice NO. Second, action oxidizing agent P4 plus twice OH NO3, twice O NO3, it gives 4H3PO3 plus 20 NO2 plus 4H2O. Next, AS4 plus 20 HNO3, it gives 4H3ASO4 plus 20 NO2 plus 4H2O. 4Sb plus 20 HNO3, it gives Sb4O10 plus 20 NO2 plus 10 H2O. Next property, Bi plus 6 HNO3, it gives Bi NO3 thrice plus thrice NO2 plus thrice H2O are the chemical properties of P block elements. Next, action of hot concentrate H2SO4, P4 plus 10 H2SO4, it gives 4H3PO4 plus 10 SO2 plus 4H2O. Second, AS4 plus 10 H2SO4, it gives 4H3ASO4. Next, Sb plus 6 H2SO4, it gives Sb2SO4 thrice plus thrice SO2 plus 6 H2O. Next, twice Bi plus 6 H2SO4, it gives Bi2SO4 thrice plus action of alkali P4, action of alkali P4 plus thrice NaOH plus thrice H2O, it gives PH3 plus thrice NaH2PO2. Action of metals thrice Mg plus N2, it gives Mg3N2. Next, Mg plus P4, it gives Mg3P2. Next, hydrides, ammonia hydrogen bonding. There in between this there is a hydrogen bond. Hydrides all form hydrides with formula EH3. E is equal to NPASSBBI. Oxidation state is a -3. Hydrogen bonding in NH3. The stability of hydrides decreases down the group due to the decrease in a bond dissociation energy down the group. NH3 is greater than PH3 is greater than ASH3 is greater than SbH3 is greater than BiH3. There is a in bonding between nitrogen and another is hydrogen bonding. There is a picture of ammonia hydrogen bonding. This bond is a hydrogen bond. Next, hydrides comparison. Property down the group region, basic strength of MH3 decreases gradation as the size of central atom increases, electron density decreases. Thermal stability of MH3 decreases gradation as the size of central atom increases. Its tendency to form a stable MH bond decreases. Reducing character increases as the stability of hydride decreases as the reducing character increases. Melting and boiling point increases gradation P, and reason is NH3 has a high melting point and boiling point than PH3 due to hydrogen bonding. As the molecular size increases, van der Waals forces decreases. Next, behavior of nitrogen. Nitrogen is gas. Nitrogen is gas, all the solids. Nitrogen diatomic other than tetratomic form hydrogen bond in the hydrides, forms p pi multiple bonds. Range of oxidation state -3 to +5. No d orbital does not form CO ordination compound, does not form coordination compounds. Next part, dinitrogen N2 commercial, boiling point is 77.2, fractional distillation of air and reactions. First, NH4Cl plus NaNO2, it gives N2 plus twice H2 plus NaCl. From azide, twice NaN3, twice Na plus thrice N2. Next part, chemical property. There are two isotopes. Isotopes means same atomic number but different atomic mass number. There are two isotopes N14 and 15. First reaction, thrice Mg plus N2, it gives Mg3N2. Next reaction, thrice H2 plus N2, it gives twice NH3. Next, O2 plus N2, it gives twice NO. Next, CaC2 plus N2, CaCN2 plus C, calcium cyanamide. These are the chemical properties of. Next, preparation of ammonia. Lab methods. Ammonia is prepared by heating a mixture of calcium hydroxide and ammonium chloride twice NH4Cl plus CaOH twice. It gives CaCl2 plus twice NH3 plus twice H2O. Ammonia is collected by upward delivery as it is lighter than air and dried over a quick lime CaO. Next, manufacturing of ammonia on large scale. This is the Haber's process flowchart. This is the diagram for manufacturing of ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen. This is the compressor, unreacted gases N2H2, catalyst chamber, condenser, liquid ammonia out. Next, Haber's process. It is manufactured by reacting nitrogen and hydrogen in the presence of finely divided catalyst at a temperature 1700 degrees Celsius at a pressure of about 200 atmosphere. N2 plus thrice H2, it gives twice NH3 gas. Aluminium oxide, ferric oxide and potassium oxide is added to the catalyst to improve its performance. It makes it more porous and this provides a high surface area to the reaction. The reaction is reversible, hence it is not possible to convert all the reactant into ammonia. To separate ammonia from the mixture is cold. Only ammonia liquefies and it is separated. The uncombined nitrogen and hydrogen are recycled. Another way of separation is to pass the mixture into water. Only ammonia dissolves. Next part is the structure of ammonia. Next part, structure of ammonia. The bond angle is 107. Bond angle is 107. There is a unsaid pair of electrons. Next, chemical reactions of ammonia with air. Ammonia bursts in a lot of air. The flame is yellow green. 4NH3 plus thrice O2. It gives 6H2O plus twice N2. React with oxygen in excess of air and platinum catalyst to form a nitrogen monoxide. Reaction is 4NH3 gas plus 5O2 gas. It gives 4NO gas plus 6H2O liquid. Next, reduces. Ammonia reduces heated copper oxide to copper. Copper turns from black to brown. Thrice CO solid plus twice NH3 gas. It gives thrice CO solid plus thrice H2O liquid plus N2 gas. Next, halogens, thrice Cl2 gas plus 8NH3 gas. It gives 6NH4Cl solid plus N2 gas. In excess, NH3 gas plus thrice Cl2 gas. It gives NCl3 liquid plus thrice HCl gas. Coordination complex ammonia solution. Ammonium hydroxide contains hydroxyl ion with metal ions. Precipitate of the hydroxide are formed. Hence, a blue precipitate forms when aqueous ammonia is added to the copper sulfate solution. The precipitate dissolve in excess ammonia, forming a deep blue solution. Reaction is twice Cu plus twice OH minus. It gives CuOH twice. Second reaction, copper plus aqueous plus 4NH3 aqueous. It gives CuNH3 4 plus aqueous. Iron forms a dirty green precipitate with ammonia. Insoluble in excess of iron forms a brown precipitate. Insoluble in excess with active metals. Twice Na plus twice NH3. Twice Na plus twice NH3. It gives NaNH2 plus H2. Next part, reactions. The first reaction, its aqueous solution is weakly basic due to the formation of OH minus ions. Next, NH3 plus H2O, it gives NH4 plus OH minus with sodium hypochlorite in presence of glue or gelatin. Excess of ammonia gives hydrazine. Twice NH3 plus NaOCl, it gives NH2 plus NaCl plus H2O. Next, with Nessler reagent, an alkaline solution of K2HgI4, potassium tetraiodide, mercury, ammonia and ammonium salts gives a brown precipitate due to the formation of millions base. Twice K2HgI4 plus NH3 plus thrice KOH, it gives NH2HgOHg 17Ki plus twice H2O. Next part, uses of ammonia. First, it is used in manufacture of fertilizers, for example ammonium sulfate. It is second, it is used in softening of water. Third, it is used in making nitric acid, and last, it is used in making plastics. Next part, nitric acid lab methods. NaNO2 plus H2SO4, it gives twice HNO3 plus NaHSO4. Next, large scale 4NH3 gas plus 5O2 gas, it gives 4NO gas plus 6H2O gas. Next, nitric oxide is then reacted with oxygen in air to form nitrogen dioxide. Next reaction, twice NO gas. Next reaction, twice NO gas plus O2 gas, it gives twice NO2 gas. Next, this is subsequently absorbed in water to form nitric acid and nitric oxide. The reaction is thrice NO2 gas plus H2O liquid, it gives twice HNO3 aqueous plus NO gas. Next part, preparation. O2 oxidation, NH3, O2 oxidation, catalyst, NO, oxidation O2, NO2, reversible reaction, N2O4, H2O absorption and formation of HNO3. Next, structure of HNO3. This is the positive, oxygen, nitrogen is a positive, oxygen is negative, nitric acid HNO3. Next, chemical properties of nitric acid. Dilute, thrice Cu plus 8 HNO3, it gives thrice CuNO3 twice plus twice NO plus 4 H2O. Second, concentrate Cu plus 4 HNO3, it gives CuNO3 twice plus twice NO2 plus twice H2O. Third, non-metals, carbon plus 4 HNO3, it gives CO2 plus H2O plus 4 NO2. Next part, metals, Au plus HNO3 plus thrice HCl, it gives HAuCl4 plus NOCl plus twice H2O. Next, with hydrocarbons, with benzene C6H6 plus twice HNO3 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives C6H5NO2 plus twice H2O. Next, C6H5CH3 plus thrice HNO3 concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives C6H2NO2 thrice CH3 plus thrice H2O 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene. Next, with phenol C6H5OH plus thrice HNO3, it gives C6H2NO2 thrice OH plus thrice H2O. Next, with cane sugar forms oxalic acid and water C12H22O11 plus 18 oxygen, it gives 6 COOH twice plus 5 H2O. Next, oxides of nitrogen. There are different structures of oxides of nitrogen, first, second, third, fourth, and there is a bond angles, fifth and sixth. First, dinitrogen monoxide N2O. Second, B, nitrogen monoxide NO. Next, C, dinitrogen trioxide N2O3. Next, D, nitrogen dioxide NO2. Next, E, dinitrogen tetroxide N2O5. Next, dinitrogen pentoxide N2O5. Next, oxides of nitrogen. Name, formula, oxidation state of nitrogen, common methods of preparation, physical appearance and chemical nature. First is dinitrogen oxide N2O. Oxidation state is +1. Preparation method, NH4NO3, heat N2O plus twice H2O. Physical properties, colorless gas, natural. Second, nitrogen monoxide NO plus 2. Chemical reactions, common methods of preparation, twice NaNO2 plus twice FeSO4 plus thrice H2SO4, it gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus twice NaHSO4 plus twice H2O plus twice NO. Colorless gas, neutral. Dinitrogen trioxide N2O3, oxidation state is +3, twice NO plus N2O4, 250 Kelvin, twice N2O3, blue solid acidic. Nitrogen dioxide NO2 plus 4, twice PbNO3 twice 673 Kelvin, 4 NO2 plus twice PbO plus O2, brown gas acidic. Dinitrogen tetroxide N2O4 plus 4, twice NO2, cool heat N2O4, colorless solid liquid acidic. Dinitrogen pentoxide N2O4 plus 5, 4 HNO3 plus P4O10, it gives 4HPO3 plus twice N2O5, colorless solid acidic. Next, oxides of nitrogen. First is a name, second one is a formula, third one is a structure, and last one is a description. First, dinitrogen monoxide N2O. Structure, description, colorless gas. Next, nitrogen monoxide NO, there is single covalent bond, colorless gas, colorless liquid and solid when pure. Dinitrogen trioxide N2O3, blue solid. Next, dinitrogen dioxide NO2, brown gas. Next, dinitrogen tetroxide N2O4, colorless liquid. Next, dinitrogen pentoxide, colorless ionic solid. Next, nitrogen trioxide NO3, unstable radical. Next, the reactions, oxides of nitrogen NO, N double bond O, nitrogen monoxide NO2, nitrogen dioxide. This is the reactions. And last, N2O4, dinitrogen tetroxide. Next, phosphorus. Next part, phosphorus exists in 3 allotropic forms, white, red and black. White phosphorus burns in air with faint green glow. Phenomenon is called as chemiluminescence. Reaction is P4 plus 5O2, it gives P4 plus 5O2, it gives P4O10. Phosphine is PH3, is a very toxic gas with garlic-like odor. When inhaled, it causes restlessness followed by tremors, fatigue, drowsiness, nausea and open gastric pain. In some cases may result in coma, convulsions and even death. Preparations reaction: Ca3P2 calcium phosphide plus 6H2O, it gives twice PH3 plus thrice CaOH twice. Next, twice ALP plus thrice H2SO4, it gives twice PH3 plus Al2SO4 thrice. On large scale, PH3 is obtained by action of sodium hydroxide on white phosphorus. Next, reactions of phosphine, reaction with chlorine, PH3 plus 4Cl2, it gives PCl5 plus thrice HCl. Reaction with CuSO4 plus PH3, Cu3 P2 plus thrice H2SO4. Reaction with mercury chloride HgCl2 plus PH3 Hg3P2 plus 6Cl. Reaction to form phosphonium salt HBr plus PH3. HBr plus PH3, it gives PH4Br. Next, phosphorus trichloride preparation. Trichlorine when passed over heated white phosphorus gives phosphorus trichloride P4 plus 6Cl2, it gives 4PCl3. Next, it is also obtained by the action of thionyl chloride SOCl3 with white phosphorus P4 plus 8SOCl2, it gives 4PCl3 plus S2Cl2 plus 4SO2. Next property is PCl3 plus thrice H2O, it gives H3PO3 plus thrice Cl. Next, PCl3 plus Cl2, it gives PCl5. Next, thrice CH3COOH plus PCl3, it gives thrice CH3COCl plus H3PO4. Next, thrice C2H5OH plus PCl3, it gives thrice C2H5Cl plus H3PO4. Next, thrice AgCN plus PCl3, it gives PCN thrice plus AgCl. Phosphorus pentachloride preparation prepared by passing excess of chlorine gas over white phosphorus. Next, P4 plus 10Cl2, it gives 4PCl5. Next, prepared by action of SO2Cl2 on phosphorus. P4 plus 10SO2Cl2, it gives 4PCl5 plus 10SO2. Next properties, PCl5 plus H2O, it gives POCl3 plus thrice Cl. Next, POCl3 plus thrice H2O, it gives H3PO4 plus thrice Cl. Next, PCl5 gives PCl3 plus Cl2. Next reaction, ethanol C2H5OH plus PCl5, it gives ethyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. Acetic acid plus phosphorus pentachloride, it gives CH3COCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Twice Ag plus PCl5, it gives twice AgCl plus PCl3. Next, Sn plus twice PCl5, it gives SnCl4 plus twice PCl3. Next, PCl3. The bond between these two chlorine is 90 degree. The length is 214 pm. The bond between these two is 120 degree. Bond length is 202 pm. PCl5 structures. The bond between these two chlorine is 101. The structures of PCl3 and PCl5. Next, oxyacids of phosphorus. First, hypophosphorus H3PO2. Second, ortho H3PO3. Orthophosphoric acid H3PO4. The structure of first, the structure of second, and last is structure of third. Next, oxyacids structure. Next, hypophosphoric acid H3H4P2O6. Next, polymetaphosphoric acid HPO3, and the structure of this compound complex is. Next, reactions oxyacids or phosphorus. Last one is hypophosphoric acid, hypophosphorous acid, and these are the reactions. Next, group 16 elements. The general electronic configuration is NS2NP4. Oxygen family, group 16 of periodic table consists of 5 elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, Te and PO. The electronic configuration of this compound: oxygen 8, electronic configuration, group number 16, period 2, sulfur 16, period number 3. Next, period number 4, atomic number 52, period number 5, and atomic number 84, period number 6, electronic configuration and group 16 elements. Next, general periodic trends, periodic property trends, atomic radii increases, electronegativity decreases down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases, electron affinity decreases, melting point increases going down the group, boiling point increases going down the group. Next, oxidation state. The general electronic configuration is NS2NP4. The most common oxidation state is -2. The most common oxidation state for the chalcones are -2, +2, +4 and +6. Chemical properties: reaction with air, sulfur plus O2, it gives SO2. Second, with acid only, oxidizing acid, sulfur plus 6 HNO3, it gives H2SO4 plus 6 NO2 plus twice H2O. Next, with alkali, thrice S plus 6 NaOH, it gives Na2SO4 thrice plus twice Na2S plus thrice H2O. Reactions with non-metal: twice S plus C, CS2, S plus H2, H2S, S plus thrice F2, SF6. With metal, Cu plus S, CuS. Reactivity: the metallic character increases as we descend the group. Oxygen and sulfur are typical non-metals. Selenium and Te are metalloids and are semiconductor. Polonium is a metal. Next part, tendency to form multiple bond decreases down the group. Example, CO2 S या दोन्हीच्या मध्येच काय डबल बॉन्ड आहे, moderately stable, decomposes and lasts readily. Te double bond C, double bond Te is not formed. Next, formation of hydrides. Next part, formation of the hydrides. All the elements of group 16 from hydrides of the type H2M, where M is equal to O, S, Se, T or PO. The stability of hydride decreases as we go down the group, except H2O. All the hydrides are poisonous, foul smelling gases. Their acidic character and reducing nature increases down the group. All the hydrides have regular structure, angular structure, and the central atom is in sp3 hybridized. HMH bond angle decreases, boiling point also decreases from H2O to H2S, then increases. Next, formation of halides. Elements of group 16 form a large number of halides. The compounds of oxygen with fluorine are called oxyfluorides because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. The main types of halides are monohalides of type M2X2, dihalides of type MX2, third, tetrahalides of type MX4, and fourth, hexahalides of the type MX6. Formation of oxides. Group 16 elements mainly form three types of oxide. First, monoxide except selenium. All other elements of the group form monooxides of the type MO. Dioxide. All the elements of group 16 form dioxides of type MO2. Trioxide. All the elements of group form trioxide of the type MO3. Next, behavior of oxygen. Oxygen is a gas, all are solids. Oxygen is a diatomic, others are polyatomic. Oxygen is a paramagnetic, others are diamagnetic. Form hydrogen bond in hydrides, alcohols and carboxylic acid. Forms p-pi multiple bonds. Oxidation states -2 and +2 only with F, others +2 and +6 form ionic compounds. Next part, dioxygen 6CO2. Dioxygen 6CO2, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 12 water, light, plant enzymes, glucose, plant enzymes, glucose, C6H12O6 plus 6CO2 plus 6H2O, 6 molecules of oxygen, 6 molecules of water. Next, preparation of O2, thermal decomposition of oxygen rich compound. Potassium chloride will readily decompose if heated in contact with catalyst, typically magnesium dioxide, twice KClO3 as heat, thrice O2 gas plus twice KCl, twice KNO3 heat, it gives twice KNO2 plus O2, and last twice KMnO4, it gives K2MnO4 MnO2 plus O2. Next method, preparation of oxygen using hydrogen peroxide. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide using magnesium dioxide as a catalyst also result in the production of oxygen gas. Twice H2O2, it gives twice H2O plus O2, twice BaO2, it gives twice BaO plus O2, 6 MnO2, it gives Mn3O4 plus O2. Next, twice Pb3O4, it gives 6 PbO plus O2, twice PbO2, it gives twice PbO plus O2. Next, manufacturing of oxygen by commercial method. There are two methods: electrolysis, standard electrolysis, electrolysis of acidified water, fractional distillation of liquid air. Next, properties of oxygen. Oxygen is a colorless gas without smell or taste. It is slightly heavier than air, sparingly soluble in water, is difficult to liquefy. Boiling point is 90.2 Kelvin and liquid is pale blue in color and is magnetic. At still lower temperature, light blue solid, oxygen is obtained which has a melting point of 54.4 Kelvin. Next, reactions with metals: potassium, sodium, lithium, calcium and magnesium. React with oxygen and burn in air. Twice Na solid plus O2 gas, it gives twice Na2O solid, twice Cas plus O2, twice CaO solid. Metals in the reactivity series from aluminium to copper. The react with oxygen in air to form the metal oxide. 4 Fe solid plus thrice O2, it gives twice Fe2O3 solid. Next, reactions when carbon react with excess of oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed along with production of heat. Carbon solid, carbon plus O2, it gives CO2 plus heat. Next, when carbon is burnt in limited supply of air, it forms carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a toxic substance. Inhaling of carbon monoxide may prove fatal. Twice carbon plus O2, it gives CO, carbon monoxide gas plus heat. Next reaction, sulfur gives sulfur dioxide on reaction with oxygen. Sulfur catches fire when exposed to air. S plus O2, it gives sulfur dioxide. When hydrogen react with oxygen, it gives water. Twice H2, hydrogen plus O2, oxygen, it gives twice H2O, water. Next, with ammonia react with oxygen in excess of air and platinum catalyst to form nitrogen monoxide. 4 NH3 gas plus 5 O2 gas, it gives 4 NO gas plus 6 H2O liquid. Sulfur dioxide gives sulfur trioxide when react with oxygen. Twice SO2 gas, sulfur dioxide plus O2, it gives sulfur trioxide. Reactions, react with metal sulfide forming metal oxide and sulfur dioxide. React with hydrocarbons forming carbon dioxide and water. Next, uses. Oxygen is essential for life and it takes part in process of combustion. Its biological functions in refrigeration make it important. Oxygen is soluble in water, but the small quantity of dissolved oxygen in is essential to the life of fish. Oxygen gas is used with hydrogen or coal gas in blowpipes and with acetylene in the oxyacetylene torch of welding and cutting metals. Oxygen gas is also used in number of industrial processes. Medicinally, oxygen gas is used in the treatment of pneumonia and gas poisoning, and it is used as an anesthetic when mixed with nitrous oxide ether vapors. Carbon dioxide is often mixed with oxygen as this stimulates breathing, and this mixture is also used in cases of poisoning and collapse for restoring respiration. Liquid oxygen mixed with powder charcoal has been used as an explosive. Next part is ozone. O3 or a trioxygen is a triatomic molecule consisting of 3 oxygen atoms. It is an allotrope of oxygen that is much less stable than diatomic allotrope O2, breaking down in the lower atmosphere to normal dioxygen. Ozone is formed from dioxygen by the action of ultraviolet light and also atmospheric electrical discharges, and is present in low concentration throughout the Earth atmosphere. In total, oxygen makes up only 0.6 parts per million of the atmosphere. Next, diagrams of or reactions of formation of ozone. Ozone, it gives oxygen plus oxygen. Oxygen plus O2 gives O3. O3 breaks down oxygen plus O2. Next, ozone. Ozone is a blue gas slightly soluble in water and much more soluble in inert nonpolar solvent such as carbon tetrachloride or fluorocarbons. Where it forms a blue solution at 161, it condenses to form a dark blue liquid. At a temperature below 80 Kelvin, it forms violet black solid. Ozone is a powerful oxidizing agent, far stronger than O2. It is also unstable at high concentration, decaying to ordinary diatomic oxygen. Twice O3 plus thrice O2. Next reaction, ozone also oxidizes nitric acid to form nitrogen dioxide, NO plus O3, NO2 plus O2. Ozone oxidizes sulfides to sulfate, PbS plus 4O3, it gives PbSO4 plus 4O2. Next part, reactions. Reducing action with BaO2 and H2O2, BaO2 plus O2, O3, it gives BaO plus twice O2, H2O2 plus O3, it gives H2O plus twice O2. Reaction with Ki to liberate iodine, twice Ki plus O3 plus H2O, it gives twice KOH plus I2 plus O2. Next, uses. Ozone is a reagent in many organic reactions in the laboratory and in industry. Ozonolysis is the cleavage of an alkene to carbonyl compound. Many hospitals around the world use large ozone generator to decontaminate operating rooms between surgeries. The rooms are cleaned and then sealed airtight before being filled with ozone, which effectively kills or neutralizes all remaining bacteria. Ozone is used as an alternative to chlorine or chlorine dioxide in the bleaching of wood pulp. It is often used in conjunction with oxygen and hydrogen peroxide to eliminate the need for chlorine containing compounds in the manufacture of high quality white paper. Ozone can be used to detoxify cyanide waste. Next, these are the formulae: sulfides, sulfates, H2S in third is H2S in volcanic gases in proteins. Next, allotropes. Structure of sulfur molecule S8. This is the allotropes. Next, the structure of S8 ring in rhombic sulfur and S6 form. Monoclinic sulfur, cyclose 6, it is soluble in CS2. Allotrophs plastic or gamma sulfur. S8 yellow crystalline heat, crystalline monomer heat, rubbery linear polymer of SX. Allotrophs milk of sulfur, colloidal sulfur. SO2 preparation sulfur dioxide is formed together with a little sulfur trioxide. When sulfur is burned in air, S plus O2 it gives SO2, and all are the reactions. Last one is a laboratory method action of sulfuric acid on Cu turning copper plus twice H2SO4, it gives CuSO4 plus SO2 plus twice H2O. Physical properties: sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with pungent smell. It is highly soluble in water. It liquefies at room temperature under a pressure of 2 atmosphere and boils at 263 Kelvin. General properties: SO2 plus twice NaOH, it gives Na2SO3 plus twice H2O plus H2O. Second, SO2 plus Cl2, it gives SO2Cl2. Next reaction, SO2 plus twice H2S, it gives thrice S plus twice H2O. And last reaction, twice SO2 plus twice H2O plus O2, it gives twice H2SO4. Next one is a chemical properties: I2 plus SO2 plus twice H2O, it gives twice Hi plus H2SO4 with the dichromate. This is the reaction with the dichromate. Next properties: when moist sulfur dioxide behave as a reducing agent आणि त्याच्या काय तो reactions. Next structure, sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridization in sulfur. काय दाखवलाय तो reactions, काय दाखवलेत reactions आणि त्याचं काय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 and 3p4. 16वा इलेक्ट्रॉन या ठिकाणी काय झालं, पेरिंग झालंय. 16वा जो इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे तो कशासाठी आहे, पेरिंग. This is the structure of SO2. Next, uses: sulfur dioxide is a reducing agent and used for bleaching and fumigant and food preservative. Dioxide used in contact process for the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Sulfur dioxide is used in bleaching or straw and disinfectant. Liquid sulfur dioxide has been used in petroleum, purifying petroleum products. These are the preparations of preparation of sulfuric acid by contact process. These are the process. Next, contact reactions of contact process. Next, flow diagram for manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Next, lead chamber process. Physical properties of sulfuric acid: colorless है, dense है, oily liquid है, highly soluble है, affinity to water है. Next, properties continued. Chemical properties वेगवेगळ्या reactions आहेत. Oxidizing agent त्याचे reactions आहेत. लास्टला काय तो uses आहे. Petroleum it is used in refining, pigments, paints, dyestuff intermediates, detergent industry, storage, battery, इलेक्ट्रोप्लॅटिंग आहे, गॅल्व्हनायझिंग आहे, लॅबोरेटरी एजंट आहे. वेगवेगळ्या टाईपचे काय तो त्याचे ॲप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. ऑक्सी ॲसिड्स ऑफ सल्फर्स आहेत, त्याचे काय स्ट्रक्चर्स आहेत, वेगवेगळे स्ट्रक्चर्स आहेत. रिएक्शन्स आहेत. ग्रुप 17 एलिमेंट्स आहेत. जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज आहे NS2 आहे, NP5 आहे. वेगवेगळे काय फ्लोरीन आहे, क्लोरीन आहे, ब्रोमीन आहे, आयोडीन आहे, त्याचे प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन आहे. त्यानंतर काय रिएक्टिव्हिटी आहे, रिएक्शन विथ मेटल्स अँड नॉन मेटल्स. त्यानंतर आहे विथ हायड्रोजन टुवर्ड्स ऑक्सिजन ऑक्साइड्स, रिएक्टिव्हिटी. फ्लोरीन इज त्याचे प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत. क्लोरीन आहे, प्रिपरेशन आहे, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग आहे, प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत, युजेस आहेत. HCl आहे, प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत, युजेस आहेत. इंटर हॅलोजन कंपाऊंड्स आहेत, रिएक्शन्स आहेत, त्याचं डायग्राम्स आहेत, ॲप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. ऑक्सी ॲसिड्स आहेत, ग्रुप 18 आहेत, त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत, परत त्याचे एलिमेंट्स आहेत, ऑकरन्स आहे, त्याचं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन आहे, पेरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत, कंपाऊंड्स ऑफ इनर्ट गॅसेस आहेत, युजेस आहेत. त्यानंतर काय लास्ट पार्ट, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतोय ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. काय लास्ट पार्ट त्याला आपण काय म्हणतोय ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. वेगवेगळे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहेत. काय या ठिकाणी विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हॅज हायेस्ट बॉन्ड एनर्जी. 4 ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहेत. बॉन्ड एनर्जी हायेस्ट ऑक्सिजन ऑक्सिजन आहे, सल्फर सल्फर आहे, SE आहे, आणि करेक्ट आन्सर कुठला आहे सल्फर सल्फर आहे. नेक्स्ट पार्ट आहे द मोस्ट स्टेबल ऑक्सी ॲसिड ऑफ क्लोरीन इज SClO4 आहे. सेकंड आहे HClO3, SCO2 आहे, SClO आहे. त्याच करेक्ट आन्सर आहे HClO4 आहे. नेक्स्ट आहे which of the following phases get oxidized by reaction with O3 but does not evolve O2 during the reaction. And the correct answer is SO2 gas. Next, fourth, which of the following oxide subgroup 14 element is insoluble in water and behaves as weak acid. पहला CO2 है, SiO2 है, SNO2 है, ZeO2 है. The correct answer है SiO2 है. Next है the formula of thiophosphoryl chloride is CaCl2 है, PoCl2 है, PaCl3 है, S2Cl2 है. Correct answer is PsCl3. Next है 6 है oxygen exhibit positive oxidation state in COI, F2O, NO, N2O, F2O. Correct is F2O. Next, which of the following is expected to have most ionic character? PbCl2 है, SiCl4 है, CCl4 है, PbCl है. Correct is PbCl2. Next, oxide of boron dissolve in strong alkalis to give boric acid है, borate है, metaborate है, boron hydroxide है. Correct answer is metaborate. 9. Which of the following does not show allotropy? Nitrogen, phosphorus, BiAs. Correct answer is Bi. Which of the following react with glass? H2SO4 है, HF है, K2Cr2O7 है, HNO3. Correct answer is HF. Thank you.